Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible.
The ear wet and come back. All kind of something wrong with that area.
Whatever it is,
Only not sleep. Hey guys, how come you not sleep? At what time now? Me just come off a stage. That area was soaking wet. It just a dry back now. Wet when I come off a stage. Wet, soaking wet. Work till me sweat out. Not change my life. Everybody get their money's worth. I mean, Rochester. So William, which part of the way at 10 o'clock? Which part at 10 o'clock now? 12 o'clock here in Canada. 12 o'clock at Rochester now. So happy birthday, you did your thing, Rochester. Big up Rochester, yeah. I just came off stage in Rochester. Big up people that will come out. It was so much fun. I had fun. Before Rochester, we went to where we go again? Myrtle Beach. Myrtle Beach. Now first we start off in Brooklyn for Dream Weekend. So big up everybody will come out at Dream Weekend, right? This right there. We left from Dream Weekend, go Myrtle Beach. We'll go Dream Weekend Friday, Myrtle Beach Saturday, and today Sunday we're there, Rochester, right? This right there. 3 nights no sleep. What sleep I go? Sleep is for the rich. Right this. So somebody said them there at Calgary. It's 10 p.m. Rasta Queen, big up yourself. Brooklyn, Coney Island. And a Friday night. Then I wish night I go up on the stage. A Friday I perform a Dream Weekend.
Yeah. You would have done the show, come up.
Oh, the other one?
Yeah.
Oh, September. I got chug it after this. September 5th, I chug it. September 3rd, I back in New York again for at 97 on the reggae and soca tip. And then September 5th, we there chug it right in Miami there, so you know the thing go. I would that Lol Bunny say I'm not a fan of my AC. Big up yourself. I wish I could dance with you. I'm in Florida. I'm coming to Florida for Dream Weekend, so make sure I come out feet. Guyana, big up on yourself. Watch Guyana flag over this, so. Somebody said, where's the video for Size Matters? Size matters. Size. Fat piece of pussy from the island. Just a print na me island. Don't put me pussy like a black cat. Make me scream like every day. Jesus, please. Size really matters when I ask you. Size matters, right? Yes. Schwabe. Je dois say, I can't bother. Dark love me say watch Rasta. Yo, my ear want wash underneath this. I have to go wash my ear tomorrow. As I reach back in Atlanta, I have to wash this out. I not ask you. I wash man. And I weak tired. Hey, I have to go to this. I come live to go to this. Atta rice. Let me go on this. Me have to give on this when in front of Atarize. Coming now when Atarize gone and turn him back, him say, lie me I tell. Me have to give on in front of Atarize. Atarize is here. Me make sure me couldn't see him. Him can't say, lie me I tell. Me make sure I talk when him there here. Me not done. Atarize. Atarize. No, sir. All the security there for sister and lie me I tell. Me have to go on this. Atarize after today. Story time 12 o'clock midnight in the night time. I could go down in the night. You never know, say today where we go Philly? We leave from Myrtle Beach, go Philly, and connect for come from Philly to Rochester. You never know, say the connection near the time close. And we will go to a restaurant, go sit down and eat in a restaurant. Atarize had a big meal. And I say, Atarize, a time for the flight, we have to go. You want to see him eat like say? The time about the drive. Look here, the flight I must say 120. No, the flight was boarding 120. And the flight was 150. But we think say a 120 flight. So I say, all right, if a 120 flight, by 1 o'clock, the door lock. Because you know, say the door lock 20 minutes before you can't pull back the people them door. You know, we're not playing Atarize. Me say, Atarize, come, because we go catch the flight, come. Me go left my food, you know, because I had a salmon. And when I see time I come up, because I never know, I say, say, a 120 flight, me run left salmon. Already coming. Now I go miss the man show at Rochester. And then me have to rest back the man money. You're crazy. You're mad. Me now miss my performance, salmon. You're mad. So I run left the food and say, Atarize, come. Anyway, I get a little extra drive pan the something. What is something name? The trolley. What is something name?
The escort.
The escort, yeah, in at the airport. I get a little drive pan the escort.
You gotta come do the move.
No, I'm have to show the people them. Him couldn't do that. Him have to show the people them. Justin, him have to show.
Do the move for him.
We haven't reached to it yet. We're Justin. We have to get the people them and them understand. We don't reach to it. Him have to show the people them the move. After me gone on the escort now. When the man drive me, because the escort can only fit 3 people, so me and Justin go on the escort, and the man carry we go round at the gate. When the man carry me go round at the gate, I want big far place. Me I say, Jesus, them are gonna miss the flight, because me left back Atarize there, and everybody at the security, so I take up my phone and I call and I say, Atarize, the gate the far, run, Atarize, you have to run, them are gonna lock the gate. Hey, me say, when me reach at the gate, you know, when me reach at the gate, me realize, say, when we reach at the gate, I realize we mix up the flight time and a boarding time yet. So we go over the car and I go sit down. We go over different gate, go sit down. We go cross over one side, go sit down. And I say, Atarize, the gates are gonna lock, run. People, me not exaggerate. Everybody there has to prove tonight and alive, I tell. I Atarize this. Well, I know. Yes, sir. Atarize reach a gate. Remember, so the people that not start board yet, none at all, you know. The gate now board, so the gate lock. Yes, sir, them reach a gate. Him swear, say, I lock the plane lock and gone left him. Him swear, say, the plane gone left him. See me, yeah? Lady, please! Lady, please let me! Hey, me say, me don't know, me don't know where the car that I did. Yo, I swear me not exaggerate. The man say, lady! Yo! Anybody where Jamaican where they pan this? The man act like him dead uptown and stop one bus. Hey, but where saw the man a fan down the plane? Yo, me say, I laughed it. That's alright. I have to show the people them how you go. Justin, what did I say? What did I say? Authorize. Show the people them how you go. God know authorize. I have to show them. Authorize, you have to show the people them. Elsie, show them, yeah. Authorize don't want to show them. Show the people them how authorize go. Wait, Tita, wait there. Show them now, Tita. Lady. Authorize. You know the worst thing about it. Yo, the man loaded at the airport to them. Lady, please. Yo, me never roll per carpet, so like I'm a roll per carpet today. Me roll per carpet to the airport. Lady, please. Authorize.
Now we see people. We see the door lock. And the woman like she a pack up. I see her. Say, me go, so me say, I laugh me, you don't want them laugh out. So now to the plane gone.
That's alright. Yo, and the whole airport wake up, you know. Yo. The man come on, Lord. Lady, please, stop me. Jesus. Oh God. Me can't make it. No,
Yo, I let me aboard the flight. You see the woman here laugh. The woman here laugh aboard the flight.
That have to be authorized a most embarrassing moment. You never know. Because when me I tell you, say, when the people them see where I laugh off time and figure out, say, the place now board yet, they might run. It was too bad. Authorized have 2 bags. 2 Authorized have 2 bags. 2 bags and run with the bag, you know, show them. Wait, else let me flip the camera. Show them.
Yeah.
Show them again, Elsie. Show them. Yeah. Show them. Authorized is a come with him bag, 2 bags him have. See me? Yeah. Show them. Please, lady. Oh God.
You pull that door there. You pull that door there.
That's what I say. Would I have to pull that door there?
You pull that door there. Them never show me how me pull that door there.
Jesus.
So,
God save me. God alone I can't save me. Hey, me did have to go into that one day. Me have to go into that one day. Me tell you. So the whole day me I laugh. Me not stop call authorized lady. So anytime when you hear me, say, if you don't hear me DJ play, I'm say, lady, pull up, lady. Yo. I nearly dead. My lash are going on my eye. I can't believe it. Authorized, say, please, lady. Please. I'm not going to that. Jesus, please. Somebody says so when the airport lady said to him, when the lady said, the lady that laugh, everybody laugh at him. Everybody laugh at him because everybody sit down. Look here, everybody sit down calm at the gate. Just imagine you sit down calm at the gate and everybody knows say if flight not board yet. Our man come run with the 2 bags of breathless at dead and say, lady, open the gate, please. Everybody look like, what's wrong with him? Yo, I say I'm ashamed for the man when time the flight actually start board and the man go up on the board, the man go up on the plane. Hear the lady to him. See, you made it. You made it. No, sir. See, somebody say, you should have video him. Mr. Boss Lady, Steph, 12. If I did ever know, say that authorized that I do, me have the baddest meme on Instagram right now. Me just never expect that the big man are gonna come and say, lady, please, lady. Me say if me never video it at a rice.
Just said it out. Dave Justin said, oh, you know a video? yo, me need that. Justin said, oh, we catch up on video.
No, sir. Oh, God. Listen, me laugh till I cry. I know me can't stop cry. I cry, man. Lady. Me have to clap me laugh till I cry. No, sir. Anyway, guys, I just miss you guys. Big up on yourself. Big up everybody who come out of Rochester. The show was a huge success. I had so much fun. If you want to see the ear look away, I'm dry and stay bad because it did soaking wet when I come off a stage and it just a dry back. So big up everybody who come out, come support me. Rochester, Murk the Beach, for the whole weekend. It was just fun, excitement. So it was Spice Beachwear. So most of the show, they want to see me in my beachwear. Yeah, that was the theme for the whole August to do a Spice birthday. Jamaica, I started saying I couldn't do one at Jamaica, but you know, bro, God say we not to move, so I know movement thing until next year. Yeah, but go and big up on yourself. You know the thing go. Love you guys. Don't forget to support the album 10. Click the link in my bio. Album out now. Love always. Adrian, you're not sleeping at your bed. That me come to realize. Adrian, big up yourself, brother. I miss you. Somebody said big up the Rasta. Big up my nice clean Rasta man. One man to my thing. When I know the thing go. Man fuck me real gun. Yeah. One or two mix up. Bye. I love you guys. Support the album 10. Click the link in my bio. Out now. Yeah. Jeez, I'm right. I forget them that. Lady!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell because around you so you get the latest and dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.